This is the Lighthouse LED rechargeable head torch from their Elite range. It offers 150 lumens from their COB LED. This headlight features 3 modes. It offers full beam, medium power and strobe setting, and then back off again. One of the great features about this COB LED is that it offers a fantastic wide soft beam to really illuminate the area that you're working in. This head torch comes with an adjustable head strap, which is great because it offers up to 12 hours run time. It also has an adjuster, so you can ensure that the angle is set to an optimal position. It also comes with a micro USB charger and lead. Another special feature of this head torch is its sensor mode. So if you find yourself in a scenario where you've got dirty and greasy hands or tools in your hand, you can simply activate the sensor and swipe across, which turns the light on and back off again. This really is a bright, compact head torch and is ideal for anybody who's going to be working in low light conditions.